Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. This is a model question paper 1 thinking Python with a program. Course code is 25 CS 21I1. If you study this question, 20 marks you will get Pakka 20 marks in an exam. Pass marks you will get it. Watch full video and share to your friends and your classmates. The year MCQ questions. So first one, 15 MCQ questions they are going to give. So I am going to explain that MCQ questions. So what is the purpose decomposition in a computational thinking? So what is the purpose and decomposition in particular computational thinking? So there is given is a four option. In that four option, the option B will be an correct answer to break a problem into a smaller and manageable parts. The second question, which component computational thinking helps to creating step-by-step instruction to solving the problem? The option answer is algorithm design. Option C will be an answer for this. So next question, which of the following is sorting algorithm? The option B, bubble sorting is an following algorithm. Next question, which of the following a primitive data type in Python? That is I hint. Option B will be an answer, int. Next will be, and what is the symbol using a comment in Python? What is the symbol using comment Python? Is option C will be hash will be an answer for this fifth question. Why do we used comment in a Python programming? So sixth question. So option B, to explain the code and improve readability. So seventh question, which of the following statement used to take input from the user in Python? So option B, input. Answer will be this. So which key is used in Python to exit loop immediately? That is, we call it as an break. The next question, which of the following will correctly print result 5 multiplied by 3 using a string formatting with a f string? So option C will be an answer for this question. So what is a syntax error in a Python? So option B, an error due to an incorrect use Python program or a rule. And so consider following synpet. It is given a program. Here they given the program. Okay. In the above program, what type of error will this code produce when run? So option C, runtime error, zero divisional error will be an answer for this. 13 question, which key is used to define a function of Python? Option B will be an df. 14th is, the file must be present in a folder for it to be treated as a Python package. Okay, in that option C will be an answer for the 14th question. 15, what will be the output of following code? The given code. So output we will get option B, hello and guest. These 15 questions. Okay. Here fill in the blanks as given. Options also here given. Based on that you have to sort by given question. So continuous. Next first question. Answer will be in sorting. Sorting is a process of arranging data specific order such ascending or descending. Option 1 first question. The program paradigm, the organized code using an object containing a data and method, the called as object oriented program. In while loop, the continuous statement, the while loop we are using a continuous statement can be used to skip the current iteration and continuous with the next iteration of the loop. Okay. Next is a syntactical error occur in a Python. Interrupt cannot be understand the code because it violated the rule of the language, such missing colon and parenthesis. Next, fifth is the function, a Python file containing functions and variable called as module. That will be an model question paper 1, and we'll move on model question paper. In the model question paper 2 is given. So first MCQ questions will solve. Which of the following is not a component computational thinking? It is a debugging is not a option D. Debugging is not a components of computational thinking. Next will be an, which of the following the best definition define as algorithm? Algorithm option B, step by step solution to a program. So for third one, which of the following valid variable name of the Python? Option C will be an answer for this. Next, which function is used to take input from user Python? Option C will be an answer for this question. Next, fifth one, what is the result of bool? It is option B is in false. Next is which data type used to see store hello the word, that is option D is a string data. You are asking a plan method to find top 3 scores in a class, three scores three scores in a class. What kind of the problem of this? That is option B is nothing but sorting. So what is the role of abstraction in the algorithm design? Option A, ignoring unnecessary details and focusing on relevant data. The ninth question, what will be the output of print hello plus word? The option B, hello and word. Which operator has to highest precedence in Python? That is option C, exponentiation. Next is which key is used to skip the current iteration in a loop, that is continuous. You are building ATM system where the user must enter 4-digit pin and is allow a maximum 3 attempts. Which control structure must be suitable? Here we are using option B, while loop with a counter. Next question, number 13. How do you call function named as allow? So option B will be an answer for 13th question. So what happened when a break is used in inner loop? Option A, only the inner loop exits. Next question, in an online shopping system, if the user cart total exceeds 5,000, 20% discount applied. Otherwise, a 10% discount is given. Which best Python construction implement is this? That is option C, if else. So next is fill in the blanks. So they given answers. First question, searching. Answer will be in searching problem involves the finding a specific item of data set. Example, searching for the name of the dictionary. Answer is searching will be an answer for first one. Next will be a set of rules that define how the code written in language, that is because answer will be a syntax. Dash is the output followed by print, that is 55 will be an answer. It already given in the question that you have to match and write it. The function, the function that call itself called recursive function. That cell we call it as a recursive function. To name the numpy module in nf, write it is called import numpy. Numpy is np. Next one is model question paper 3. So MCQs. First one, what is the purpose of using a pseudo code in computational thinking? Option C will be answered, to plan the solution using a simple and readable steps. Next question, what type of problem sorting exam score from the highest to lowest? That is we call it as an option C is a sorting problem. Which of the following is the best defines algorithm thinking? That is option B, designing the sequential of steps to solve the problem. Next is which of these not benefited of using algorithm? Making a random guesses is option D. So next question, which term refers to finding similarity in a problem to reuse the solution? So fifth question, answer will be a pattern recognition. A student design a step-by-step plan, calculate the average marks of the class. This plan is an example for option B, algorithm. The seventh question, which operator has the highest precedence? That is option B, exponent. So what is the syntax error in the program? Option B, the violation of the language, that is missing colon, that is syntax error. Next, nice one. What is the correct symbol for single line comment in the Python? Is option D will be an answer. Not option A, okay. Here red mark is there, not option A. Option D will be an answer. So which of the following not data type Python is called? Option C is a real. Which function used to take input from user to Python? That is called to input. So 12th question, which of the following is used for a string formatting? Python. In the string formatting Python, we are using all these above. 13th ones, which of the following condition make while loop infinity? That is option B, while true and with no break. Next, 14th one, how many times will hello print? So is given. So option B, 3. What does the break statement do in the loop? That is exit in the loop immediately. Next will be fill in the blanks. The first question, receipt a real life example that is called algorithm. The process of writing instructions for the computer to solve the problem, that is we call it as some programming. Dash is the output of this, that will be answer will be no. While loop become an infinity of the condition true, there no, it is a true will be an answer for filling option number question number. And last, to use the math module, if you find if first need is input. The more information, please subscribe my channel. If you study all these questions, Pakka you will get 20 marks. 20 marks is for passing marks. So if the information is useful, please subscribe my channel and share and support. Thank you. So those who are going to pass, you can study this all the question, so you will pass in the exam. Thank you.